Oh, hey guys, I was not just brushing my hair with a tiny horse brush. So, yes, today, this Fun Friday will be longer, and, I'm going to be doing a review on some of my Breyers accessories and tack. And my assistant here, Bella. Okay, so we'll just dive right into this. We'll start with this saddle, and every time I grab a saddle out, I will use a saddle pad, so that'll be 2 in 1. How about this saddle pad? So we have a pink saddle pad. Put that on Bella. Okay, it kind of does that. Then we have an English saddle. And, yes, there we go. I'm not going to latch it on because that would just make the video take like forever. So, here we go. Pretty good. Alright, so that was 2 in 1. So that's how it'll be. And then also I have like a barrel. This one won't sit on Bella. But on this side it says US. This is pink and the writing is purple. And it has Breyer on this side. So yeah. A blanket. It says Breyer World Champion with the little Breyer logo here. And let's see, let me get it and then I'll show you how it goes on. So, first it goes on like that, little Velcro. And this part to me is a little trickier than Velcro. If you hear any noise in the background, it's my pooches and my, and my family. Alright. Then it goes through there. I don't think I have it exact, but whatever. It's a bit big. You know what? This is meant for a Spirit of the Horse. So I'm going to grab one of those and also some of these accessories for foals. So I'll get some down here in my little fence area. How about you, Bandera? It's a boy, but I call it a girl. My trusty old Bandera. And how about you, Macaroni? Alright. So, where were we? Oh yeah, the blanket. Bandera. I put a little thing on there. So the Velcro part, as I showed you. And then the other part. Ryder, no, Ryder's down, Ryder's down.
Bailey, get Ryder, please.
Just don't let him get any of the tiny things on the floor. Alright, sorry, that was my pooches. So there we go, much better, much better. Looks way better on the Spirit of the Horse. Thank you for demonstrating, Bandera. You did very well. There we go. Set you over here. Let's try on a full blanket. So meet Macaroni. She is a little foal. She's cute. So this just has horseshoes on each side, and it's like a really bright lime color, I would say, I guess. And she's a tiny bit big because this isn't actually. Some of these items didn't actually come from Breyer, but I used them on them. So yeah, she's cute in that. There we go, gal. Next, this is like a Spirit saddle. Like, you know, have any of you ever seen the show Spirit Riding Free? Well, that's what this is from. They sell toys. So, yeah, this is what it would look like unbuckled I'm not really. Wait, we need a saddle pad. I forgot. Oops. I have like a lime green saddle pad, and then this is like a kind of like a light blue on screen. It doesn't look as blue as it really is. So let me put these things on Bella because these are like normal sized. So that's how that would be. Perfect. So they're playing some music in the background. Don't mind that. And then we have a couple of the same one because they were homemade. I'll just use one though because they're the exact same thing. And so we just got like an old baby towel or rag and put little dots on it of where to cut. Made it into a horse blanket like this. Slip over their head and a bit sticking off the front, but I think it's really cute. Mine had cupcakes on it, so yeah. Another full blanket. I better hurry up before my iPad runs out. If not, part 2 will be up. But if my iPad does have enough room to do this, because I just did a software update, then this will just be like a full thing for a long time. So macaroni, it's like it has a red outline and a white like inside, and then the other side's just red. I guess we could flip it like to the other side, and you could just have like full red. Before I've done that, it's pretty cute. Flippable. You know what? Now that I think of it, you could do that with any of them. But wonder if they're all as equally as cute. Okay, this one flips into the exact same thing. But okay. This is the blanket macaroni actually came with. The other side's just white, so I would prefer it with the blue side. It's really cute. It reminds me of like something a grandma would have, cause it looks kind of like grandma-ish, like somebody hand knitted it. Well, actually, someone did. But yeah, the outside's white with blue, green